As a solo creator on YouTube, creating my videos myself, editing my videos myself, posting and doing everything all by myself, one of the most challenging things I find doing on YouTube is creating YouTube thumbnails. I kid you not, I find it very, very emotionally and mentally tasking. And that is because at the end of the day, when I've finished scripting my video, recording my video, editing my video, and I feel like, wow, finally I can now post this video. I'm already tired. I'm already exhausted. Do I need to create a YouTube thumbnail, for goodness sake? Can't people just watch the video without the thumbnail? In fact, there was a time I was not using thumbnails for my videos and it was not getting any views at all. Imagine the relief and the happiness I felt when I realized that I can actually create my own YouTube thumbnail with ChatGPT. As a matter of fact, I don't even need to be good with prompting. You don't even need to know how to prompt. Just engage your ChatGPT like you're going to be engaging your graphics designer. Had it been like you wanted to contract this YouTube thumbnail thing to a graphics designer to actually help you design it. And that was exactly what I did. And I got my own YouTube thumbnail that I was able to use to actually post my video. And the thing is that it actually works because now it has taken away the stress of having to think about the concept and everything. I just needed to let ChatGPT know that, see, this is the video I want to post and I need a YouTube thumbnail for it. And ChatGPT literally just created the YouTube thumbnail for me in seconds. So in this video, I want to show you how you can also create your own thumbnail, that is your own YouTube thumbnail, using ChatGPT. The good thing here is that you don't even need the paid version of ChatGPT to do this. With the free version of ChatGPT, you can actually do this. Because now with the advent of ChatGPT 4.0, a lot of you might think that you need to actually have the paid version of ChatGPT to do this. No, the paid version of ChatGPT can do this and probably even do it better. But the free version is all that you need to actually get started. It is what I use and it has actually lifted a lot of burden away from me. So would you guys like to see how I do this and try it out in ChatGPT? Let us go into ChatGPT together and create our own YouTube thumbnail with just a few words. So let me show you guys how I do it with just my smartphone. You don't even need a laptop for this, guys. So don't think, oh, ChatGPT, I need a laptop. No. All you need your smartphone. So the first thing you're going to do, download the ChatGPT app if you don't have it. If you want to use the web version, you can use it as well. But me, I use the ChatGPT app. So what you're going to do first and foremost, go to your Play Store and download ChatGPT. Okay. So let's just search for ChatGPT and download it. So as you can see, my ChatGPT is already installed, telling me to update, but I am not going to do that so that I don't want to waste our time. I'll do that later. So let's open ChatGPT and let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So right now I have opened the ChatGPT app. Let us, go through it together and then you'll see how you can also create your own YouTube thumbnail with ChatGPT. Remember I told you, I said, chat with ChatGPT like you're going to be talking with your graphics designer. You don't even need to be good with prompts because for some of you are like, oh, I don't know the prompts to use. What prompt should I use? Even if you're not good with prompting, don't worry, relax, okay? Relax. Look at what I did here. I said the first message I sent to ChatGPT was, I want a YouTube thumbnail. And then ChatGPT replied and asked me, what kind of thumbnail do I want? And then I simply told ChatGPT what I wanted to use the thumbnail for. I said how I activated my chili broken glasses to earn money watching videos. Basically, that was what the video was actually about. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description of this video for those of you that are interested in, knowing more about chili, to watch videos and earn with their smartphone. So you can go check out the video, but let us focus on why we're here, which is this ChatGPT creating YouTube thumbnails for you. So I simply told ChatGPT what I wanted, and then ChatGPT replied and said, oh, this is a good concept. Even gave me the thumbnail idea and everything, and it created the image for me. As you guys can see right here, this was the image that ChatGPT created for me. Did everything. Basically, you guys can see, like, I didn't have to lift a finger. Now, I told ChatGPT, replace the glasses, because the glasses that ChatGPT actually put here, is just like a normal glass. So I told ChatGPT to replace the glasses with the chili glasses. Do you understand? With the chili broken glasses. So I uploaded that glass for ChatGPT. That was what I did here. I uploaded the glass for ChatGPT that replaced it for me. And, I like the design, just replace the glasses for me. And ChatGPT actually did that. This was the updated version that ChatGPT actually created for me and replaced the glass with the chili glasses. So now I did something else with ChatGPT. Let me show you guys what else I did. This is also another thumbnail that I actually created with ChatGPT. I'm going to show you guys how I actually did this with ChatGPT. So it's pretty much the same process. All I did was told ChatGPT, generate a YouTube thumbnail for this video titled, how much I earned in 25 minutes on chili. Now, this is another video I made as well on my channel, telling people how much I actually made, on chili when I bought the Element glasses for $6 and all of that. So I needed a thumbnail for it and I didn't want to stress too much. And I simply went to ChatGPT and told ChatGPT, you know what, create a thumbnail for me. Let me at least use it to have an idea of what I should be doing with my YouTube thumbnails. And of course, ChatGPT actually created this particular thumbnail that you're looking at here. You can see without me having to, do too much, ChatGPT actually created this thumbnail for me. So will you be giving this a try? Let me know in the comment section. As well, in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually upgrade these thumbnails that ChatGPT created for you using Canva. Now, because you are using the free version of ChatGPT, it's not going to be easy for you to make as much tweaks as you would want, because maybe you want to replace the image with your picture, you want to, do some adjustment here and there. But because you're using the free version of ChatGPT, it might not be easy for you like that. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do some of these little tweaks here and there using Canva. So make sure you tap on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe, tap on the bell icon right beside it, turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop the video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to know. As well, don't forget, give this video a very big thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show it to more people like you looking for content like this. And it also helps us as small creators, as small YouTubers to, support one another and grow together. Because trust me, YouTube thumbnail is a very, very big pain in the ass. Me, I don't know about you, but as for me, as a solo creator, doing everything myself, it's a very, very big stress. And sometimes I wish I can post my videos without YouTube thumbnails. But now with this thumbnail hack that I just discovered, I now have the opportunity to make not just one thumbnail for my YouTube video, but 3 thumbnails for my YouTube video. And if you want to learn how you can actually use 3 thumbnails on your YouTube video, I'll also be making another video to show you how you can actually do that with just your smartphone. So make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so that you don't miss out on all of the goodness that I'm going to be bringing your way. So until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing. I'll see you guys in my next video. But then again, before I go, don't forget, if you have any questions, any question at all, drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I get. Bye.